Hello viewers, in today's session we are going to find out the domain of this function f of x, that is equal to 1 divided by square root of minus x minus 4, right? So here we'll search for all the valid values of x for which this function f of x is defined, right? Okay, so let us start. So here under the radical sign, that is the square root sign, we have minus x minus 4. So the first condition is that this quantity, that is minus x minus 4, it should not be equal to 0, right? So minus x minus 4 should not be equal to 0. So let us solve this expression. So we have minus x should not be equal to 4, or x should not be equal to minus 4. So the first condition is that x should not be equal to minus 4, because when x is equal to minus 4, then this expression, that is minus x minus 4, it becomes minus 4, and here we have plus 4 and minus 4, that is equal to 0. So when x is equal to minus 4, then the denominator, it reduces to 0, right? And it is an indeterminate form. So we have to discard x is equal to minus 4 from the set of real numbers, right? And the second condition is that this quantity, that is minus x minus 4, it should be greater than 0, because this expression minus x minus 4 is under this square root sign, and this expression has to be greater than 0, because we cannot have a negative number inside the square root sign, right? Because if we have a negative number inside the square root sign, then it becomes a complex number, right? So minus x minus 4 should be greater than 0. So let us solve this inequality. So we have minus x greater than 4, and then we can multiply both sides by minus 1, so the direction of the inequality get reversed. So here we have x less than minus 4. So x less than minus 4 can also be written like this, that is x belonging to the interval minus infinity to minus 4. So let us now represent this interval and this point, that is minus 4, on the real number line. So here we have minus infinity, here we have plus infinity, and here we have minus 4, right? So as we have just explained that x cannot be equal to minus 4, so we have to discard this number, that is x is equal to minus 4, from the domain of f of x. And here this interval minus infinity to minus 4 may be represented like this. So now the domain of this function f of x, it can be denoted by the letter d. So the domain d is given by this interval minus infinity to minus 4. And remember here minus 4 is not included. So all these numbers from minus infinity to minus 4 gives us the domain of this function f of x.